Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today is part 2 of wiring on the GTV Commission build project. Let me go over the wiring kit we have and let's get started. Alright guys, as you can see, this is the whole wiring kit. It's really a lot more than what we'll need, but that's okay. We can utilize this for another project down the road as well. So we're using, again, American Auto Wire. Now, American Auto Wire is not sponsoring this video. We purchased this straight from their website. No discounts, nothing at all. It's just, we just purchased it ourselves. Okay, so the kit comes with tons and tons of stuff. Installation, instructions. You've got the, all the wiring, or all the part numbers and everything. So this is kind of the breakdown of the kit itself. These are our tools here we'll be using, Brad and I will be using today. We've got a ton of connectors here, as you can see. Let me flip it over. So those connectors will go with all these wiring. Let's start over here. Some of this stuff we're not going to use, but we can still use the wire for other stuff. So this is a steering column turn signal connection kit. We will use that. This is the gauge connection kit. We will use that for our gauges. This is, what is this? This is a GM column mount ignition kit thing. We will not use that. We'll just set that off to the side. This is the ignition switch kit. We're doing a push button start, full security type system. That was in the previous episode, so we'll move that off to the side. This is the headlight switch. We're definitely not using that. We have our stalks, so we'll remove that. This is the dimmer switch. I think we're going to use the dimmer switch, I think. So I'm going to hold on to that. Then we've got two door push connectors here to turn the courtesy lights on, and then one will be for the trunk. We might get one more for the hood. Some various other connectors, as you can see here, if it'll focus. All right, let's see, let's move these over because we're getting rid of a few things. Oh, this is the trunk mount wiring kit. This is huge, tons of wire, but we'll use some of it as well. This is the starter kit thing. We'll definitely use that. I've got the blocks. Let me show you that. The blocks are sitting right there. So we just have it in there, just kind of looking at where we're going to put them. So that will go. Then we have the accessory connection kit. These are horns, and there's other things. You can see what one says horns, but there's more to it here. This is our headlight kit. We're definitely going to be using this. I've already opened it up to look at it. And of course, let me show you this. We've kind of started working on the headlight assembly. Jury's still out on, let me get down here. Jury's still out on the headlights. I'm not sure yet. We're definitely going to be using the inners. These are going to be our blinkers, and they're also going to be functional. As you can see, it goes straight through, which we will connect to the air filter for the fuel injection system, and this one will just cap off. So these are kind of loosely in there right now, but we need it to get them on there so we can do this wiring for the headlights today. Okay, let's go back. And then the last piece is the ignition switch starter connection kit. Of course, all this kind of goes together. So we have the wiring and everything. Oh, they sent us a little tool. So that's that piece of it. Okay, all this is going to tie in. Let me move that to this block here. We'll set this block here so you can see. So this is going to be the new fuse box, brand new unit. Everything is going to connect. We have all of our relays. Kind of get down here for you. All of our relays, ignitions, the batteries, the radio gauges. All of this stuff's in here. Everything's there. We'll be utilizing this system here, and of course mounting it in the car, which we think is going to be mounted somewhere back here because we're doing a seat delete. All right, so that is it. So the first step we're going to do is we're going to focus I think unless Brad tells me otherwise when he gets here, we're going to focus on the headlights today and getting all that ran. So from back there all the way up here, again, we got all of our wiring. We got everything just kind of sitting in here right now. So you can see more of it. So we're ready to start wiring that. Everything will of course come through the normal hole here where the wiring harness would have come, and we'll of course dress all that up. So let's get started on wiring. All right, guys. So here's what we've got done today. This is going to be kind of a short video. We'll talk about all the wiring on this side and then some inside and then in the back, and we'll go through this real quick. But I didn't think you'd want to just see us stringing out wire. So anyway, so this green wire, this is our horn wire, and what's really cool about this kit is, let's see if we can get it to focus. Maybe, there we go. Every one of them is labeled. These wires are labeled. So this is our horn, and then this is just a group of blinkers, lights, everything for the front. Oh, don't worry, I'm not on the fence on these lights anymore. I am ripping them out, and we're going with a standard classic look light. We're keeping these. Those are functional, they're the blinkers, and we're not going to get rid of those, but we are changing lights. All right, so please don't scold me too bad on comments. Anyway, so this is all the wire. I mean, you can kind of look. This is the, what is that one? The right front turn signal. So everything is there. And then if you come down here, it comes into the car, as you can see. And so we've got some that are going to stay on this side that are going to go to the dash for the wipers and things of that nature. And then we're running along the side of the car just like we normally would with the standard wiring harness. And again, all of these wires are labeled, every one of them, and they're also color coded for the fuse panel, which is really cool. And we're going to mount the fuse box or panel there, and then we're going to do a false floor and a seat delete. And then we have some that, as you can see, is going that direction, and that's for the lights, the tail lights and the blinkers back here. And we still got more to wire back, but I wanted to just kind of go over, give you a quick video of some updates on the wiring. This is going to take a while, but it's going to look really, really good once we get finished. And yeah, and so that side is going to be the fuse panel or fuse box and everything for the fuel injection system. We still got to run some more wires from there back to the back for the fuel pump and all that fun stuff. But yeah, we're kind of getting there. So once we feel like we've got everything ran to the back of the car, then we'll cinch up this, and this will be a done harness. We can pull that out. Of course, everything's got to come back out to go to paint and body. So I'm going to call this video complete. All right, there you have it. Really kind of a short video, just going over the wiring kit that we bought, and just kind of starting to get the lights, the horn, the blinkers, all that stuff, wipers, all that stuff handled. And the next step will be to start working on other bits and pieces of the wiring, and we'll have another video on that. But I want to give you a quick video update on the build. It's kind of coming together, just still so much more to do. It seems a little overwhelming, but it is what it is. We'll get through it. So guys, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell. It really does help out the channel. The channel's growing, and I hope I'm showing you some good contents on the update of the car, the GTV Commission build that we're doing. And as always, God bless. Have a great day.